Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of secure investments, focusing specifically on stocks. Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned pro, these insights will help you make informed decisions and build a secure investment portfolio. Understanding secure investments. Before we jump into the details, let's define what we mean by secure investments. These are investments that have a lower risk of loss and a history of stable returns. While no investment is entirely risk-free, certain strategies can help you mitigate risks and enhance the security of your investment. Strategy 1: Blue chip stocks. Our first strategy involves blue chip stocks. These are shares of well-established, financially stable companies with a long history of success. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola are examples of blue chip stocks. Their stability and consistent performance make them attractive options for secure investing. Strategy 2: Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are our next focus. These stocks belong to companies that regularly distribute a portion of their earnings as dividends to shareholders. These consistent payouts can provide a steady income stream, making them an excellent choice for investors seeking security. Strategy 3: Defensive stocks. Defensive stocks come into play during economic downturns. These stocks belong to companies that offer essential products or services, like utilities and consumer goods. Even in tough times, people still need these essentials, making these stocks more resistant to market volatility. Strategy 4: Focus on value. Investing in undervalued stocks is another secure approach. Look for stocks trading below their intrinsic value. Over time, the market tends to correct these undervaluations, leading to potential gains. Bonus strategy: dollar cost averaging. Now, for our bonus strategy, dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy reduces the impact of market fluctuations on your investments and can lead to better average prices over time. To wrap it up, secure investments in stocks involve choosing blue chip, dividend, and defensive stocks, as well as focusing on undervalued options. And don't forget the bonus strategy of dollar cost averaging for smoother investing. Remember, security doesn't mean zero risk, but these strategies can help you build a more stable investment portfolio. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights.